CS पटेल, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका शिक्षण विभाग वर्चुअल क्लास में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष का अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पहुंचाने का प्रयास शुरू कर दिया है।
Standard second, subject English. Yes, students, you are seeing my English book 2, standard 2. Yes, lesson 2.4, the lion and the mouse. The lion and the mouse. Students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center MCGM Mumbai. Okay, students, sir. So now see further. Lesson 2.4, the lion and the mouse. Very famous story, students. Yes, we are going to read today. Yes, students. Yes. So yes, you are seeing very yes, good picture, good image of lion. Yes. So king of the forest, lion, you are seeing. Okay, students. So yes, king of the forest, lion. And students, you are seeing a very yes small creature. You are seeing yes mouse. Okay, so this is the story, the lion and the mouse. Okay, students. So the lion and the mouse. Today we will practice this story, the lion and the mouse. Okay. Now students, yes, tell a tale. Listen, repeat and enact. Okay. So first of all, listen. Once a lion was sleeping under a tree. So students, keep in your mind, once a lion was sleeping under a tree. Yes, students, you are seeing a lion. Yes, with the help of pointer, I want to point you. Yes. So see, this one tree you are seeing, and the lion is sleeping. Lion is sleeping here. Yes, so once a lion was sleeping under a tree. A mouse saw him. Yes, a mouse saw him. And students, you are seeing mouse. So mouse saw him. Yes. So listen once again. Repeat it. Once a lion was sleeping under a tree. Yes, repeat it. A mouse saw him. A mouse saw him. He ran up the lion's tail. He ran up the lion's tail. Yes, students, you are seeing that this one lion's tail, and this mouse ran up the lion's tail. Okay, students, you are seeing. So see what did this mouse? Yes, students, yes, he ran up the lion's tail and climbed on his back. Students, you are seeing that this mouse is sitting here. Yes, and climbed on his back. Okay, repeat it. Yes, climbed on his back. He jumped all over his body. He jumped all over his body. Means who? This lion. This lion jumped all over body. Yes, so here. And what was the lion doing? Lion was sleeping. Okay, bachcho. So lion was sleeping. Yes. He started sliding down the lion's face again and again. And students, yes, see what did the lion do further. See students, Yes, lion. So, yeah, mouse. Mouse started sliding down. Lion's face means here. Yes, lion's face again and again. Again and again. So, students, you are seeing that in this story we are seeing, yes, a lion was sleeping under the tree. And yes, what students, what have you seen here? Yes, a mouse saw him. He ran up the lion's tail and climbed on his back. And students, yeah, he started sliding down lion's face again and again. Okay, so keep in your mind, right? Try to understand the story. Okay, बच्चों, कोशिश कीजिए, समझने का प्रयास कीजिए. Okay, now see further. Yes, students, you are seeing a nice image of lion, and students, you are seeing mouse image. Now see further. What happened the next? Listen, repeat and enact. Yes, students, sir? Okay, what happened the next? The lion got up. And students, you are seeing that lion got up. Okay, he got very angry. Yes, students, sir? See, the lion got up. Yes, he got very angry. Students, you are seeing, see the face of the lion. He is very, very angry. Yes, very angry. Seeing the face of the lion, you are seeing that the lion is very angry. Okay, students, he caught the little mouse in his paw. So this is paw. What is this? This is paw. Yes, in our students, so mother tongue we say paw. Paw means panja. Panja. So students, you are seeing, yes. Okay, he caught the little mouse in his paw. He said angrily, "You naughty mouse, you naughty mouse." Okay, now repeat it. Yes, he said angrily, "You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb me?" चलिए बच्चों, बोलिए, "You naughty mouse." बोलिए, "You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb me?" Now say continuously, "You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb me?" Now say, "You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb me?" Now see how I punish you. I will eat you. I will eat you. So students, you are seeing, yes. So yes, you are seeing, lion said, "I will eat you." Okay, students, sir. See what happened the next. See further story. Yes, listen, repeat and enact. The mouse was afraid. The mouse was afraid. Now students, mouse. Yes, mouse was caught in lion's paw. And now, yes, mouse was afraid. He started trembling. He started trembling. He pleaded, "Oh lion, the king of jungle, I'm really sorry. Oh lion, the king of jungle, I am really sorry." Means बच्चों, माउस डर गया, बहुत डर गया जब लायन ने कहा "I will eat you", मैं तुम्हें खा जाऊंगा. यस बच्चों, फिर क्या हुआ? माउस डर गया. उसने क्या कहा? ओह लायन डरते हुए कहा. यस, he pleaded. Yes, he started trembling. "Oh lion, the king of jungle, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please let me go. Please let me go. I will help you someday." The lion laughed. The lion laughed and said, "You really? Oh, really? You little mouse, how can you help me?" See the proud of the lion. Student, see the proud of the lion. Yes. So lion said, "Oh, really? You little mouse, how can you help me? That's so funny. That's so funny." Okay, students, sir? Yes. So repeat it. Okay, repeat it. The lion laughed. Repeat it, students. The lion laughed and said, "Oh, really? You little mouse, how can you help me? That's so funny." Yes, repeat it. That's so funny. Anyway, go. Get away from here. Yes. Anyway, go. Get away from here. Yes, repeat it. Get away from here. Then he set the mouse free. "Thank you, friend. Thank you so much," said the mouse and ran away quickly. Okay? "Thank you, friend. Thank you, friend. Thank you so much," said the mouse and ran away quickly. Repeat it. Ran away quickly. Yes. "Thank you, friend. Thank you so much," said the mouse and ran away quickly. Okay, see further. Listen, repeat and enact. What happened the next? A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. A few days later, the lion was A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. Repeat it. He was roaring loudly. Okay, students, sir? So keep in your mind, you are seeing the picture. See the image. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He was roaring loudly. See, students, sir? Yes, he was roaring loudly. Listen, repeat and enact. Yes. The mouse heard it and ran to the lion. He saw the lion caught in the net. He called his friends. Okay, students, sir? So listen and repeat. The mouse heard it and ran to the lion. Repeat it. The mouse heard it and ran to the lion. He saw the lion caught in the net. He called his friends. Repeat it. He called his friends. All the mice came together. All the mice. Okay. So all the mice means, students, you are seeing, yes, many mouse. Yes. All the mice came together and nibbled the big net with their sharp teeth. Yes, students, you are seeing that. Yes, nibbling. See, nibbling net. Students, you are seeing. Yes, so they set the lion free. They set the lion free. The lion said, "Thank you, dear little mouse. you saved my life. Yes, you saved my life. The mouse heard it. Okay, so repeat it once again. The mouse heard it and ran to the lion. He saw the lion caught in the net. He called his friends. All the mice came together and nibbled the big net with their sharp teeth. Yes, you are seeing here. Yes, they set the lion free. Yes बच्चों, इस तरह से आप देख सकते हैं. Yes, so now the lion is free. The lion said, "Thank you, dear little mouse. You saved my life." Yes, thank you, dear little mouse. You saved my life. Yes, students, you are seeing that the lion is thanking. The lion is thanking to the mouse. Okay, students. So yes, students. Now, nice story. I think you are familiar now. Yes. So now look and say. Yes, lion. Okay, say. Look and say. Lion. Mouse. Little. Please. Sorry. Thank you. Very. Away. Yes, students. Now look and say. Yes. Lion. Lion. Yes, look and say. Mouse. Mouse. Little. Little. Please. Please. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Very. Very. Away. 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 Okay, students. So yes, at last, once again, I think you should try. Okay. So look and say. Yes. Okay. So say 2 times more. Yes. Lion. Lion. Mouse. Mouse. Little. Little. Please. Please. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Very. Very. Away. Away. Okay, students. So yes, students. So students, the lion and the mouse. Students, nice story. Yes, students. So students, at last, so keep in your mind, work hard, and students, yes, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वर्क हार्ड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए. तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है. आगे फिर मिलेंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.